Are you ready for the quiche? See?
Hey guys.
We didn't do the clap.
Okay, let me do the clapper. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make something really delicious, quiche.
Quiche.
All different kinds.
Yes.
You're going to like this.
Yeah.
So what kind are we making?
Well, first I just want to say that we asked you guys what you wanted to learn to make. And a lot of people said things like casseroles and simple things, and I'm a guy who hates to cook, and I'm a busy mom, and things like that.
And pretty much then we prepared what I like, which is quiche.
Right. Well, quiche is great because not only can you make it in advance and put it in the fridge, you can even freeze the crust, you can freeze the egg mixture, but one batch of egg mixture, double, triple batch maybe, of egg mixture, and you can make a huge variety of quiche, and then that you can freeze, and that you can have for lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
What do we have?
What I did to prove that point was, and now the pie crust recipe is already on the website, so I didn't go through that again. So what I did was I made a ton of the quiche mixture, which you're going to learn how to make in a minute, and filled 6 different crusts with different things.
Yeah, and the actual crust is not wheat. It is made with almond flour.
Yeah, it's so easy. Almond flour.
Super easy.
Super easy. It's a couple ingredients and really fast to make. I also make those, 5 or 6 at a time. Different bowls, put this stuff in, throw it in the food processor, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Sounds good.
Okay,
so
good.
what flavor is this?
Okay, this is chicken and sharp cheddar.
Okay, so let me see what this tastes like. No,
What
I like
does
it.
that
No,
mean?
I totally like it.
Oh
I
my
totally like it. It's really good. I was just playing with you.
What are you doing?
No, it's good.
That's great. Now,
Protein and eggs. I mean, it's incredible.
the secret when you decide you want a quiche with stuff in it, the secret is to cook the meat, saute the vegetables ahead of time. And then you're gonna have the pie crust and you put the ingredients, the innards, the chunky stuff, chunky bits in your crust first. Put as much in, and I like my quiche packed. I don't like to find any old one piece of bacon every 7 bites.
I hear you.
You know what I'm talking about?
I hear you, sister.
And then you pour the egg on top of that to the very top.
Okay, what's this one?
This is all veggie.
Veggie.
All kinds of veggies. I just sauteed the vegetables first.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any cheese in here. It's just all sauteed veggies.
Good.
Mmm. That's nice.
I like that too.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I already sampled the one that I really, really, really liked before.
I said, please don't eat these quiche.
I couldn't stop it, so we'll get to that last. But
That's why you don't see a photo of the entire quiche, because it was half gone by the time we got to today.
that's the problem. Is she's a good cook, and I can't stop.
This one is bacon, onion, cheddar.
Bacon, onion,
Everybody
cheddar.
love bacon.
I like it.
Bacon good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I like that
That's-
a lot.
Okay, that's great.
Now, does this one have bacon too?
No, this is ham and Swiss.
Let me try that.
I always like to put, we grew chives in our garden this year and I dried them in the food dehydrator. I always like to put some chives in every recipe. I think it adds a nice flavor.
I like that one too.
Mmm. Wow. It's so creamy.
It's great.
Mm-hmm.
And what's this?
So,
Spinach?
we're going kind of fast here. Spinach and salmon.
Salmon?
Salmon.
Let me see if this is...
I like to get some fish into the recipes.
Unique. Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Unique and not bad.
I mean, comparatively speaking.
Women. How do I look?
Okay.
He says,
You're very
Fine.
unique today.
fine. Okay. So he doesn't like the salmon. Fair
All right.
enough. Now this is his all-time favorite.
This is really good. Let me tell you what's in here.
Go ahead.
You have, it's a sausage. What kind of
Spicy.
sausage?
It's a spicy-
What's it called?
Sausage.
That's a type of sausage. It's like a, what's that? I can't
Andouille sausage or?
I don't know. It's
I don't know. It's a
Well-
spicy red sausage, and it's not in links or anything. It's just a bulk sausage.
when you read the how-to instructions, it'll be there. But it's a really good sausage, and it's grass-fed.
And it's got cheese.
I got it at
lot
the
of
farmer's
cheese.
market. The
You
sausage.
got it? That narrows it down.
That's my favorite right there.
You like that one. And then for decoration on that one, I just sliced some tomatoes. I mean, quiche, you can use anything you want. I'm even hesitant to put recipes for all of these because basically you can go into your refrigerator and take any leftover you have, put it in, or any vegetable, any meat that you like, and put it in the crust and add that really simple quiche egg mixture.
Awesome.
And then two, you have food for a week. Breakfast,
keep
lunch,
it-
and dinner. And pair it with a nice salad.
That's right. Of course, if you're watching my videos, you're probably going to just do 2 meals or maybe even 1. But you'll eat the whole thing. So, should we
The
go?
whole quiche?
Let's go right in to show them how to make this. You ready?
Do they eat the whole quiche?
Well, depends how big they are. They're like 250 pounds.
The quiche?
No, the person.
All right, here's how to
Okay.
make it.
Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and I will keep you in the know. Hey, that rhymes.